Hello everyone, welcome back to Fanatic Quest. In previous video, we have built a basic level AI agent which can perform multiplication and which can tell the current time. But here's the real question. How does AI know which tool to use? Did we write any code like if context is equals to time? No, right? We just given the query as a user. As a live user, we just give a query and it gives the response among these two methods. So, how does it work? So, that's today's topic. And today's goal is to build an AI agent which is having multiple tools. So, let's write another simple function. Mm, yeah, here, at the tool. So, def of prime number. Our variable is number, which is an int data type input. And the return data type of this method is a string. So, str, good, right. So, let's give a comment. Check whether the number is prime or not. So let's write the code for this. First of all, if our number is less than 1, you can say it's not a, okay, sorry, Mm, less than or equals to 1. You can say it's not a prime. So this is done. So for I in range 2 comma int by typecasting square root. Okay, let's import square root method from math. Import square root. Okay, square root of the number plus 1. If our number modulo I is equals to 0, return not prime. So we need to write any else statement because can simply write at last return prime. Don't worry about this method. We just simply wrote this. Don't worry about this. And let's give this variable name to here. Good. So prime is also a tool now. Yeah. Now 3 prime. Use this tool only if user asks for calculation of prime numbers. Sorry, identification of prime numbers. Yeah, good. So let me ask a question. Is 17 a prime number? Yeah, good. So we have got a response. Yeah, this is our content. Okay, it's a prime. So 17 is a prime number according to this response, right? Actually, it's a prime number, but it's working properly, right? But wait, how does the agent know that this is only the recommended tool to calculate the prime numbers? Look at the description. It is not written for us. We can simply see the code and we can tell that it's for prime number, or we can see the function name and we can tell it. This is written for AI. AI should understand it. Then, okay, AI traverses all over the functions and it simply says, hey, user asked, hey, calculate the prime number. I mean, tell that this particular number is prime or not. So that it traverses the methods and sees, hey, this function contains a comment that check whether this number is prime or not. So I think I should enter this. Also, the function name is prime. I think this is the correct one, and it executes this particular algorithm. Got it? So let's give it a try. I don't think it's a good manners, but just let's try it. A, B, 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 C, C, anything it might be. To confuse our AI agent, C is 17 a prime number. Yeah, prime. Okay, I, I think our we need let's change our function name. Let's keep FU and C, right? So let's give it a try again, right? We got an error, right? So this error is related to some tool not found, which means attempted to call tool prime, which was not in request.tools, right? So we need to write these carefully, right? So here, good documentation equals to good tool selection. Just remember it, guys. Also, concentrate on these method names, concentrate on descriptions, concentrate on this prompt, especially, right? Now, let's do another, let's create another tool which can count the number of words in a string, right? So, def count number of words. So our input will be string. Okay, sorry. So, yeah, sentence, something I'll give input like this, and the variable is sentence, and the data type is string, and our return type is also a string. Got it? So let's give a proper documentation. Count the number of words in a string or a sentence. Got it? So now we need to use dot split character, and it separates the spaces, right? So what does dot split method do? We all know that if we give a particular sentence according to the spaces, it splits those words and converts into a list. And we should print the length of that list to view the number of words. Got it? Len of sentence dot split. Got it? So this is a tool, and let's keep this inside our good tools. Let's give a proper description for this also. It's okay if we do not give this particular prompt like this, but it's good if we give. The system works more efficiently. Good. Mm, shall we give a try? Come on. By the way, this is another Grok model, Llama 3.1 8B instant, which is also a good model for Grok. Fine. So we can see the fast response of this. Okay, sorry, we didn't change the prompt. So I'll write count number of words in tens. Who are you? I think okay. Let's proceed with single quotes. Yeah. Oh, very fast. So our content is count number of words in a sentence. Who are you? Right. So the response content 3. Who are you? 3 words, right? So this is the workflow of it. When a user asks a query, the LLM reads every tool. I mean, it reads the description of every tool, and among those, it chooses the best tool and generates tool call. So tool call is nothing but Python executes that particular tool, right? Python can execute it, right? It's a function, right? So the result, LLM reads that result and gives the response. Got it? And we need to always remember that we need to write good method names and we need to write good description, and also we need to use other tool method for a method. We should use that method only for a single method. I mean, a single function. Suppose, imagine this is a function. Then, other tool should be only for this. So, if you want to generate another tool, then you can simply just write another function. You can write another function and another tool. So this is tool, sorry, this is tool one and this is tool two, right? So we should not write something like this. It's not correct, guys. Got it? One tool equals to one responsibility. So that's it for today, guys. In this video, we have discussed about the rules in an AI agent, about the descriptions, and we have also added a few tools to our AI agent. So in next video, let's start Agentic RAG. So see you in the next lecture. Jai Hind.